Okay, third box tayo guys. First item. Second item for the third winner. Okay, this is Yaya's Pre-Love. Size 10-11. Kid size din siya di ay. Ta-da! Light use. The third. Okay, Pre-Love. One of the boys. Brand new Old Navy slipper. Oh, ganahan ko ani. Nice ka siya vibe. Leggings. Pang pregnant leggings panina ako ba? Now to PIF. Okay, platito, fragile. Or so then sa sausawan. Magamay madako. Pre-Love from Sir Opao. The issue.
Right, the issue is me letting go. I like that shirt. Hala.
But it's a gamay kaayo.
What?
That's why.
No, I think that's the one I was supposed to keep that one.
Are you gonna keep this
Yeah,
one?
I'm not keeping one.
You've been keeping this because you wanted.
I'll trade my other one, the white one.
Okay, give me another one. Dali.
It's in the RV.
Okay.
That's a nice color, but
Just give me anything with the...
red na lang.
Okay, that
Oh,
one.
this is a hoodie.
Anything.
Anything?
Okay.
That's, we got so many.
Okay, sorry no sorry. If you can't let go yet, then it's okay. It's fine. Take your time. Pero for sure ko guys, yan na nang gilit go. Karon nakita lang niya, then...
All right.
Well, right? Okay, next. Yaya ka lang. Okay, one of the boys Pre-Love. Inanagya po ng boys. Don't we all? Okay, next. Yaya ka lang. Pang summer. Hala! Babe, I should keep this one also, love.
You
But
have
I remember, I got so many of this. Napa sa Pinas. O, pag na ko siya nagamit. O, diba? Pak ganun. PIF lang muna nato. Tapos, this is new with a tag. Ta-da! Again, kung di mo siya ka-size, then please PIF. PIF means pay it forward sa imong kaila, sa imong kontra, sa imong silingan, o sa imong ex. Okay? Ano na to PIF movement? Okay. Literal nga magamay nga madako. Wala siya. Amoy-amoy. Okay. Yaya's Pre-Love. Babe, ang Florida?
Wow.
Sana all. Gamit na nila ako siya dito sa Greece. And now, goes to PIF. It would be so nice kasi itong mga minors na to, mga makadawag sa itong pa PIF, balik bayan box. Please take a photo and then tag the V family or the PIF page.